Hey, you guys should subscribe right now. You just gotta hit that little red button. Subscribe. Did you put the camera on the tripod?
No.
What's up, everybody, and welcome back to Something Adventurous. Today, we're going to be showing you around the workshop, the garage workshop,
Production area.
the production area. This is going to be ground zero for all of our builds, all of our projects, a lot of our videos. This is home base right here. So today we're just going to show you around the shop. This has been a long time in the making. Everyone here on the Something Adventurous team, everyone has contributed to this project. Everybody's had a hand in making this what it is today. So we're going to give you the first look. It's come a long way and it still has a long way to go, but we're so excited to start some projects in here and get some products moving out the door and start making some stuff out of all the wood and everything else we've been collecting for the last couple weeks. Next, on the right side of the shop, we're going to try to keep all the tools and essential items that are not consumable. We're going to try to keep all tools, power tools, abrasives, files, things like that over on this side. Now, this is not exactly how they're going to be organized yet, but it's a work in progress. We have a little desk operation over here with a coffee maker, because that is essential. As any good maker knows, coffee is an essential ingredient to creativity and production. We've got lots of good storage here. Here we have fasteners and hooks and whatnot, cords. A couple shelves up here that we want to thank everyone who has contributed to making this workshop what it is so far. Everyone who's given us some, given us cabinets and materials to work with, storage bins, pegboard hooks, yep. I want to thank everyone who has helped us make this what it is today. Over here is main workbench for small projects, leather work, other things like that. We have the pegboard wall with all of our tools and pliers and just random stuff right now. This is definitely not the permanent configuration of the pegboard, but it's a start, and this is much more organized than it was before. So we're super excited about this. We've got all kinds of pliers and electrical tools and equipment and wires and stuff like that up here. We're gonna keep organizing this, but this is a good start. Air compressor. As everybody knows, you need a good air compressor. Thanks to Kyle, we have this nice air compressor, and we have a good setup of Husky air tools to expedite our construction process. Over here is right now is the home of many bow staffs. A lot of wood that we've accumulated. You've seen us logging Osage and harvesting Osage orange. We have a lot of that wood over here and some cedar end cuts. Hopefully in the future this will be the site of our YouTube studio, so we can have a good place to talk to you guys and discuss our plans for the future, tutorials, stuff like that. Hopefully this will be where we create that area, but
It's a little down the line right now.
yes, that's down the list of priorities, but it's definitely on the docket. Yep. this side, we have our consumables, of course, as we mentioned earlier. We have caulk, other adhesives, random things. On this shelf over here, we have a little bit of everything, some storage boxes, fasteners, construction equipment, scrap metal that's good for knife making. Down here we have our fuel sources and all the vehicle juices over here. We've got our oils, windshield wiper fluid, things like that, antifreeze. All will live in this area here. Yes, over here we have an aerosol can storage contraption, as Kyle likes to call it. I saw this on Pinterest. It's not my original idea, but if you guys would like a video on how to build this, I'd be happy to make it. So you just let me know in the comments if you'd like to know how to build something like this. It's not super complicated, but it can help you to store your aerosol cans very efficiently. Pretty soon we will have these freezers on the outside so we can clear up this space for storage. Yep. Storage of Osage and other woods. So there you have it. We've got the full workshop. You've got the full tour. Hopefully we're gonna have some great stuff coming out of here soon. Yeah, you're gonna be seeing a lot more of this area in the future. And as Kyle said, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe below. It helps us a whole lot. If you subscribe, the more subscriptions we get, as you know, the better the adventures are gonna be. So please, if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button. It's gonna help us a lot and make Kyle very happy. And you don't wanna see Kyle unhappy. It's better when Kyle's happy. No, seriously though, subscribe. It'll help us a whole lot, and it'll help you too, because you'll get better videos, better content, better tutorials, and bigger and better adventures. So I hope you like the garage. If you have any suggestions or any tips, yes, as Kyle said, any tips on how to better organize this space, we would love to hear about it, and we'll be sure to keep you updated on any additions we make to the workshop.